Through Filmora masking feature, you can make some portions of video or image visible and hide the remaining portions. Click on the video in timeline and under video tab, switch from basic to the mask on right side panel. Here you can select your favorite mask shape such as rectangle, circle, love and star shape. If you want to apply mask to some image in upper layer, then select it and click on your favorite mask. You can change size, position, orientation, width, height and blur of the mask. To move around the mask with image, do not click on this portion, but click on the side at the original image and drag it anywhere. For precision masking, you can also use arrow keys on keyboard. You can toggle this invert mask button to invert the mask, making the original visible part invisible and the vice versa. To revert the change, use the undo button or press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. To remove the mask, just select None. Thanks for liking this video. Watch more Filmora tutorials.